What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about products that I want to use up this fall and winter. You guys know I did something similar last year. I'm going to do the same thing this year, and let's hope that I get through them. So, y'all know I got a lot of stuff in recently, so I'm going to go ahead and let you know what I want to get to this fall and winter, okay? So first off, I definitely want to break into the curl show. I can't tell you as far as the thickness and stuff like that. I don't have a cream to this. They may have one. I would need to look into it, but because it's getting colder, I do want to start using products that are a little bit heavier, a little bit more moisturizing, creamier, just to help to protect my hair. But I do want to get into these too because I showed them to you and I know you guys are interested, and I am too, before it gets too cold, okay? So I do want to get into those. I also want to break into these Weedad products this fall and winter, so these should be coming up. This is a Moisture Lock Curl Butter, and then this is the gel. So I want to get to these two before it gets too cold. So yeah, be on the lookout for these products in a review. Okay guys, so with that said, I am going to be trying to use up a lot of these gels that I have on hand. If not use them up, at least, well, I'm gonna try to use them up. I want to still use a gel. If it works for me, continue to use it with other things to let y'all know different combos that you can do with it before I open up something else. But I definitely want to get to a lot of gels, and with that, I'm going to be topping them with creams, okay? So the one gel I want to get to is the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Extra Hold Gel. I showed this a while back, haven't gotten to it yet, so I definitely want to get to that. I also want to get to the Soultanicals Frozen Drip and Grip Super Hold Gel. Got this, it had been out of stock for a long time, came in stock. I picked up 2 of them. This was a while ago. Still haven't broken into it. And I know you guys are probably waiting for me to try this out, so I definitely want to get into this winter as well. I also want to get into the Texture ID Styling Custard, which looks like this. Someone said it was really good, so I picked it up a while back from Sally's, and I haven't broken into it yet either. So these are a lot of gels that I have on hand that I want to break into and review for you guys this winter, okay? So I do plan on doing some wash and goes this fall and winter, all right? And then I also want to get into this Olive Oil Curl Company gel. One of you guys told me that this was your favorite gel, said it works really well, so I picked it up, okay? So those are a lot of the gels I want to get to, as well as the Design Essentials gel. I haven't forgotten about that one that I picked up a while back, okay? So under these gels, some of the creams I want to break into, and hopefully these creams will pair well with these gels, is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream, which looks like this. I've had it for a while, and you can see the seal is still on it. Have not broken into it. It's just been sitting over here, so I definitely want to get into this. I haven't tried a lot of things from Uncle Funky's Daughter. I've only tried the Curl Stimulator. I didn't care for that, but I want to really see if there's anything else from Uncle Funky's that I like. So I happened to pick this up. I believe I got this from Sally. It's been so long I can't even remember, but I think I got this from Sally Beauty when they were having a sale or something. So yeah, picked it up, and I want to get into that. The other one is the Soultanicals Twist Assist Supernatural Fragilistic Stress-Free Afrolicious Twisting Cream. That's crazy. That looks like this, okay? So it's taped up. I got this a while back. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I got it a while back from Soultanicals. I think I picked it up when I picked up these, and haven't broken into it yet. So I do want to try this for a twist out, and if I like it, I might even try it under one of these gels. So like I said, I'm trying to go to some creams under the gels just to add a little extra moisture to my hair. Normally I do a leave-in in a gel, but I want to go back to a leave-in, a cream, and then a gel, or just a cream and a gel. So we'll see, okay? I also want to break into this Curl Origin Agave and Apricot Moisture Drench Rich Cream, which looks like this. It's fairly new to my collection, but again, there we go. Something that hopefully can go under one of these gels, or any other gel I want to try as well, because I'll be doing some other gels too, but these are some that I really want to get to that is different, that I haven't used before. Of course, I must still continue to use the ones that I've already used that I love. I'm still going to use those, but you guys have seen videos on those. So these are things that I'm showing you that I want to get into that you really haven't seen videos on yet, okay? Now, I have used the Boing from Oyen once. I want to try it again. This is a curl cream, or I'm sorry, this is a gel, a cream gel is what this is. So I want to try it again in a different way. So that's on my list as well to try to break into this fall and winter. And then of course I want to break into a couple of creams from SheScentIt that I've been holding on to for a while. One is the Royal Honey and Argan Butter Cream for very dry hair. It looks like this. Now, I've already used the Royal Honey and Argan shampoo and conditioner. I like it, but I haven't tried the cream, so I want to use it, see how I like it. And I want to go ahead and finish up. I have used the Morracan Gold 2-in-1 Styling Souffle. This is a leave-in conditioner and styling cream. I believe I used this as a leave-in at one point. Got this all over my hands, but I don't remember what I used it with, and so I want to use it again as a styling cream and a moisturizer, like under a gel, and see how that works. And because like I said, it's already open, I definitely want to use it up before it goes bad. And then last but not least, I want to break into this Aunt Jackie's Curl a Lot Defining Curl Custard. I picked this up a while ago as well and have not broken into it yet, so I definitely want to break into it. It does not have a cap on it, but it's new. Smells okay. Smells pretty good. So I want to break into this too as a curl custard to go under a gel. I may also use it as a twist cream or something like that. So yeah, want to see how this works under some of these gels, as well as its own gel, because I do still have the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink over here, as well as a little bit of the Curl Boss, I believe. And I also still have some ice curls. Y'all know I love the ice curls, so I might see how this works under one of those as well. So yeah, just to name a few, those are some products that I want to break into this fall and winter. Give my hair a little bit more cream, a little bit more moisture during the winter months, and see how I like these products and see if they will become a staple, or see if there's something that I would recommend to you guys. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these, let me know which ones you're interested in first. I'm not promising I'll put it in that order, but it'll give me an idea of what you guys want to see. And yeah, of course, like I said, I'll still be using some of my favorites. My Nature's a Little Secret and Going Anywhere, still gonna be using that. Still gonna be using my Eden Body Works, still gonna be using my Camille Rose. I'm still gonna be using all of those things as well, but these are new, haven't tried for the most part, so I'm interested in getting into some of these and showing y'all some new stuff. But anyway, guys, that's it for the things I want to really try to get to this fall and winter. And if you've tried any of them, let us know what you've tried it with, what your results were. We want to hear that in the comment section below. And guys, don't forget, I do have a membership if you're interested in it, it's only $2.99 a month, and on that membership or behind that membership, you're going to see member only videos. So there's going to be videos that I'm going to do just for the members that won't be on this channel here, and some of these things may fall into that. So I do want to let you guys know that as well. Also, you're going to get just some different content over there altogether. We're going to be talking about, you know, a little bit deeper issues sometimes on that channel. So I just want to let you guys know that it's only $2.99 a month. You can cancel at any time. So if you decide to join and then you're just not liking it, you don't think that it's worth your money or whatever, feel free to cancel it at any time. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I will be putting some content over there. So some of this new stuff I'm gonna try, it'll be here, you'll see it, but some of it'll be over there and it won't be here. You understand what I'm saying? So, and that goes for not only hair content, but that will go for, you know, body and skincare, things like that. I might have a special vlog that I put over there. I don't know all the things that will be on that channel at this point, but I'm having ideas, and ideas are coming. So if you're in the membership, you're going to get some content that is going to be special to you guys and nobody else is going to be able to see. So I just wanted to let you guys know that as well. All right, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.